Still wiping your mirror for the 10th time and it's still streaky? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to clean your mirror at home without using any glass cleaner, and make it shine in under a minute. No chemicals, no streaks. Just crystal clear results using things you already have at home. Here's the truth. Most commercial glass cleaners leave behind residue, attract dust faster, and contain harsh chemicals. If you've been searching for the best way to clean a mirror without Windex or any glass spray, this video is for you. And yes, this method works for your bathroom mirror, bedroom mirror, or even those decorative ones around the house. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. Here's what you'll need. White vinegar, water, a microfiber cloth or an old t-shirt, and a spray bottle. This is optional. That's it! If you don't have vinegar, don't click away. I've got an alternative coming up. Step 1. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water. If you have a spray bottle, pour it in. If not, you can dip your cloth. No big deal. Step 2. Spray or lightly dampen your cloth. Never drench the mirror. That's how streaks and drips start. Step 3. Wipe in a zigzag motion, starting from the top and working your way down. This ensures no drip marks and gives an even clean. Step 4. Flip the cloth to a dry side and buff the mirror. This step is key. It's what gives you that shiny, streak-free finish. The kind where you literally can't see the mirror, just your own reflection. No vinegar at home? No problem. Mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1 cup of warm water. Shake it well. Spray it on your mirror, and follow the same wiping technique. It works like magic! And yes, it's a weird grandma hack that still holds up in 2025. Here's a pro tip. Never clean your mirror when sunlight is directly hitting it. Heat causes faster evaporation, which leads to streaks. Clean during cooler hours for the best results. Also, if your mirror has toothpaste splatter or hairspray gunk, rub a bit of rubbing alcohol on those spots before you start. It'll cut through buildup like a charm. So that's it. That's how to clean a mirror at home without glass cleaner. The natural way, the streak-free way, and yes, the cheap way. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick cleaning hacks that actually work. Got your own DIY mirror cleaning trick? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Until next time, keep your mirrors clean and your life even clearer. Thanks for watching.